A very good morning to all. My name is Arushi Singh.
I am Vika Sharma.
And I am Meghna.
We are students of class 12 representing Shree vidyalaya. As the participants of ATL Space Challenge 2021, we have made a project on the theme Exploring Space using gaming technology. Curiosity regarding space has always attracted minds, so we have made a game using Scratch coding.
So what is Scratch? Scratch is a computer programming language that lets one create interactive stories, music, art, animation, etc. Scratch provides an interactive environment to create programs by tagging blocks of code. Scratch is versatile in nature as it can run on different operating systems.
Let's see about our game. Now basically, as far our game is concerned, it highlights the basic information about the planets of our solar system. Now, it shows the parameters like the revolution time, the surface condition, the average temperature, etc. So basically in this, the cursor has been modified to look like a spaceship. When the spaceship is placed onto the planet, it displays the information of that particular planet. With this, the user can modify their information in this particular direction.
It can be modified further to make it more interesting and appealing. But how can we do it? It can be done by attaching files, by redirecting Google sites and making quizzes. In a nutshell, our game is an interactive way to impart knowledge and it is attractive too. Thank you.